Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create a very simple traffic cone in Blender. Today I am going to create very simple traffic cone in Blender. So first take a cube and then add some edges. Go in edit mode, add some edges here like this and add two edges here also, one edge here and one edge here. Then what you have to do is select this four face and then insert it like this. And now select this middle vertex, deselect this middle vertex, right click, loop tools and circle. If your loop tool option is not showing, it is there in your add-ons. Select this edit preferences and get extension here, loop tools, install it, and then here you can see loop tools. So this is our, to select this face, scale it a little bit, and then what you do is we extrude it. Extrude is like this and scale it. And here also add five loop tools and then add orange color and then edit mode, add white color here and here also add white color and then add subdivision modifier. So this is how we can create a traffic cone in Blender. So this is how we can create a traffic cone in Blender. If you want to add dust in it, you can add also dust in it, but this is a small tutorial. You can also add some dust in it, dust and dirt. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Let me take a quick render. Let me take a quick render here. So that's it friend. This is our render for a thumbnail. Image, save, desktop, and I'm going to save it as DPG image. So that's it friends. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gaming videos in my channel. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.